Welcome. So in continuation to the last video, we are going to proceed further. The idea behind shooting this video is to make you real fast. Computation is the need of the hour, and doing fast computation helps you in multiple ways. So let's start. Before we talk about anything new, let us quickly recall the things which we already have learned in the previous video. The first thing that we learned in the previous video is the concept of base. So what is base? The numbers which start with 1 followed by zeros are known as base. 10 is a base. 100 is a base. 1000 is a base. 10,000 is a base. All these numbers are said to be base. The next thing that we learned in the previous video is what is the complement of a number and how to write it quick. So for example, if you look at this number, how to find its complement. So first let us quickly recall what is the complement of a number. Suppose I take a number 55, then the complement of that number is the number which when added to 55 will give me the next base, that is 100. But for a bigger number it is not that easy. So we have seen a very quick way of doing that. And what was that formula that we have used? The formula that we have used is to subtract all the digits from 9 and the last digit, here by last I mean the digit occurring at the unit place, from 10. So if I do that, here if I subtract 8 from 9, I will get 8. 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. But here the last digit I need to subtract from 10. So 10 minus 7 is also equal to 3. So the complement of this number is this. If you look at this number, here also we can quickly write the complement. Now there is a difference here, that here the last two digits are 0. So we are going to apply the same formula, but these two zeros will be copied as such, and for applying the formula, this will be considered as the first digit which I will subtract from 10. So let us start. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 7, 2. Now this number 10 minus 6, 4, and the last two zeros will be copied as such. I hope there is no doubt in this point. We have also seen that how to calculate or how to find the answer for this multiplication very quickly, right? If you do the multiplication using calculator or even using pen, it will be a very time consuming process. So do you recall what was the process? The process was simple, that we need to write our answer in two parts, left hand side as well as right hand side. How to write the left hand side? Subtract 1 from this, and then to write the right hand side you have to take the complement of this. Let us do it. So I will get 3, 4, 5, 7, 6, 5, 8, 1. 1 less here, I will just subtract 1. And then I will take the complement of it. How to write the complement? Subtract all the numbers from 9, last number from 10. So 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 5, 4, 9 minus 7, 2, 9 minus 6, 3, 9 minus 5, 4, 9 minus 8, 1, and 10 minus 2. The last digit I need to subtract from 10, so that is equal to 8. So the answer is 3, 4, 5, 7, 6, 5, 8, 1, 6, 5, 4, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 8. If we quickly write the answer for this also, what will be the answer? The answer will be that I need to write 1 less than this. So 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 7, and then complement of this. 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. But finally this I have to subtract from 10. So 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. So these are the things which I guess you are very clear about. Moving ahead, we are going to look at the product when the situation is slightly different. When I say situation is slightly different, what I mean that the situation is slightly different here. If you look at this product, we have 3 digits here in the multiplicand, but we have 4 number of 9s in the multiplier. So means if the number of digits is less than the number of 9s in the multiplier, then we need to follow a slightly different process, not very different from what we have just learned, just a small tweaking. What does that mean here? Let us understand. So in step number 1, what we are going to do, we are going to subtract 1 from the multiplicand. So means what we will get? We will subtract 243 minus 1. We will get 242. Now in next step, I will write the extra 9. By extra 9, what we mean? Here we have 4 9, 3 digits. So 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So I have to write that extra 9 here with this. Right? After this, we will write that extra 9. And finally, we will write the complement of this multiplicand. So what is the complement? 9 minus 2 is 7, 9 minus 4 is 5, and 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. So this will be our answer in this case. I hope it is making sense to you. Yes, any doubt? So to take more examples based on what we just learned, here also you see that we have 256 and we have to multiply by 4 number of 9. What is the process? Write 1 less than 256, so it will become 255. Extra 9 is 1, so write that extra 9. Take the complement of 256. 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4, and 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. Very quick. Here, how many digits are there? 4 digits. How many 9s are there? 5 9s. What we have to do? Just reduce it by 1. 7, 8, 9, 4. And then put that extra 9. Put that extra 9 and then take the complement of this. 9 minus 7, 2, 9 minus 8, 1, 9 minus 9, 0, 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Here students, be very careful when you are subtracting the last digit. You need to subtract it from 10. Finally, you look at this problem. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 number of digits. How many 9s we have? We have 3, 6 and 1, 7 9s. The same process. So what we need to do? We just take 1 less than this. So when I say take 1 less than this means 4, 7, 6, 4, 4. 1 less than this number. How many 9s are extra? 2 extra 9s are there. Place 2 extra 9s and then take the complement of this. 9 minus 4, 5, 9 minus 7 is equal to 2, 9 minus 6 is equal to 3, 9 minus 4 is equal to 5, and 10 minus 5 is also equal to 5. So this is what we will get. So we have seen two kind of problems. In one problem, the number of nines were equal to the number of digits in the multiplier, and when the number of nines are more than the number of digits in the multiplier, in the multiplicand, right? Now finally we are going to talk about the third type, and in the third type, as you are smart enough to guess that here the number of digits are more and the number of nines are less. This process is slightly different. So to understand this process, I have taken one example. What is the first thing we have to do? The first thing that we have to do, that this number that we have 4265, I have to divide this number in two parts. When I say in two parts, by that what I mean is that I have to put a line. Suppose I put a line here, and the line is put in such a way that in the right of the line the number of digits is equal to the number of nines here, right? So we have three nines, and we are putting the line in such a way that after this line we have 3 digits. This is the step number 1. What is the step number 2? I will look at the digit which is appearing in the left of this line. So that digit is 4. So I am going to add 1 to it. So 4 plus 1 will be equal to 5. Means add 1 to the digit which is appearing in the left of it, right? And then this 5 is being subtracted from the whole number. So what is the whole number? 4265 minus 5. So that will be equal to 4260. Okay. Finally, so this is what we get. In the end, we are going to write the complement of the number which is appearing in the right hand side. So what will be the answer? The answer will be 4260. And what is the complement? 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 6 is 3. And 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. I hope it is making sense. To understand it better, let us quickly write the answer for these two problems. So the first one is 3256 into 99. Step number 1. Divide it into two parts. Here we have 2 nines. Here we have 2 nines. So in this I just need to correct this. So we have put the line in such a way that we have just 2 digits after that. Step number 2. Add 32 plus 1. It will become 33. 33. Subtract 33 from this number. So if you subtract 33 from this number, you will get 3223. And finally, take the complement of 56. So 3223 complement is 4 and 4. So this is my answer. Let us do this quickly. So we have 6 digit, 5 nines. Put a number here. 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. Subtract 8 from this. So 7, 5, 6, 5, 4, 1. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. Take the complement of this. So complement of this, 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. And 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. That is the answer. Thank you. We will see more such interesting problem in the next video. Thank you.